This body scan meditation is designed to bring greater awareness and attunement to body and to mind. Please note that paying attention to bodily sensations can be a triggering experience for some. This is normal and expected for trauma survivors. Please use this recording at your discretion. If you notice that paying attention to a particular area of the body or the breath is triggering, feel free to skip ahead or ignore that part of the meditation. You are in absolute control. There's no need to push yourself. Simply observe without judgment. Please also remember that it is normal for some people to not be able to connect with certain body parts or any at all. This doesn't mean that you are doing anything wrong in this practice. Simply noticing that you don't connect or feel much is the practice of meditation in and of itself. Try to let go of any judgment or expectations as you practice, and be sure to honor your need to take a break if necessary. When we pay attention to our moment-to-moment experience on purpose and without judgment, we are practicing meditation successfully. Always honor your window of tolerance. The body scan meditation is meant to be done in a state of relative stillness, so it's best to practice at a time and place in which you will be comfortable and won't be disturbed. Many people choose to practice a body scan meditation while lying down on their back, either on the floor, a yoga mat, or on a bed. If it is more comfortable for you to sit upright, that is perfectly okay. You may choose to close your eyes or leave your eyes open. You may choose to change your position halfway through, and that is also fine. You can place a pillow under your head if it is more comfortable that way, or place a blanket over your body to keep warm. If you are lying on your back, allow your arms to fall alongside your body, palms facing up if that's comfortable. Heels on the floor, allowing your feet to fall away from each other. And just notice whatever comes up in your awareness. Just accepting what is currently present in the body and in the mind. Noticing any thoughts or sensations. No judgment. No need to change anything. Just simple awareness. And notice all the places in which your body makes contact with the floor or the mat. As you become aware of these sensations, bring your awareness now to your breath. Notice the physical sensations of the breath. Notice the expansion of the belly and the chest as you breathe in, and the falling of the belly and the chest as you breathe out. Notice the air coming in through your nostrils, through your windpipe and into your lungs. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, feeling the rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out. And if it feels grounding to you, you may choose to place a hand on your chest or belly to feel the gentle rise and fall with each breath. And just release any control over your breath now. We tend to want to control the breath when we pay attention to it. But you can just try to let go now and allow your breath to just have its own natural rhythm. And then shift your attention from your breath to your toes. And just notice any sensation in your toes. Are they warm or cool? Tense or relaxed? And if it feels safe to do so, take a moment to send your breath all the way down to your toes, as if your body is hollow and accepts the air as you breathe in. Inhaling, letting the breath move all the way through your body, from your nostrils to your windpipe, to your lungs, into your lower body, all the way down to your toes. Noticing any sensation that arises. And remember, if you feel nothing, that's okay and normal. And if you feel uncomfortable, it's perfectly okay to skip this body part. Take another breath in, and as you breathe out, shift your awareness from your toes to the balls of your feet. Feel the soles of your feet against the floor, or the sensation of them touching each other. And just notice any areas of tightness or relaxation in your feet. Bring your awareness to the whole flat part of your foot, all the way down to the heel. Notice all of the parts of the feet that have contact with the ground as you walk. And just notice what you notice. Remembering there's no right or wrong way to do this. Let your awareness move now to the ankles and the surface of the skin and the joints that allow your ankle to move and support you as you walk. Breathe in. And when you exhale, move your awareness to your calves, Noticing all the places that your calf comes into contact with the floor. Noticing all the muscles and tendons that run alongside the shin. And when you're ready, bring your attention to your knees. And pay attention to any sensations or feelings in this part of the body. Noticing the back of the knee, the kneecap, and the joint inside. Noticing your skin around your knee. And then move your attention from your knees to your thighs. Just become aware of the entire circumference of your thighs, along the top and by the side. Be aware of the muscles and tendons inside of your thighs. And just notice what it's like to bring awareness to the parts of your thighs that you can't see inside of your skin. And as you breathe in, imagine sending your breath all the way into your knees and your thighs, releasing any tension that is present. And if it feels better to stay with your breath or to move to another body part, just allow yourself to do so without any judgment. Now shift the awareness to the hip and pelvic area. Notice the weight of your body on the chair or the mat. Feel the support that it provides. Breathe into your hips and your pelvis. If this doesn't feel safe, return to your breath or open your eyes if they are closed. Move your awareness from the pelvic area to the lower back. Just be aware of how the movement of the breath affects this part of your body. And then notice your abdomen. And see if you can notice how your abdomen moves all the way from the inhale and through the pause at the top of the breath and through the exhale. Expanding and falling. And notice any sensations that are affected by the movement of the breath. Perhaps feeling your skin coming into contact with your clothes as you breathe in. Just noticing what you notice. Bring your awareness higher in your body to your lower rib cage, your middle back. And if, as we do this, if you notice any holding or tension in any part of the body, just noticing that that's there. Letting your breath move through that part of the body. Imagining your breath going into that part of the body. And when you're ready, bringing your attention and awareness into your upper rib cage, around your upper back where it touches the mat or the floor, and the top of your chest. And see if you can notice your heartbeat in your chest. Notice how the chest may be expanding or contracting just slightly with each breath. Being aware of how your shoulders may be affected with the movement of breath. Moving your awareness from the shoulders themselves to where they attach to your neck. Just sensing into those areas of connection. And with your next inhale, allowing your awareness to move from your shoulders to your upper arms, all the way down to your fingertips and the palms of the hands. Notice the base of where your thumb connects to the hand itself. And shifting your awareness to your wrists. Moving up your arms, extending from the wrist all the way to the elbow. And then moving your focus from your elbows to your upper arms. Then back up into the shoulders and the base of the neck. Moving from the base of your neck to your jaw and your throat area. Noticing the breath moving in and out of your throat. Notice your face, starting with your lips, your cheeks, your nose and nostrils. Bring some awareness to the temperature and the sensation of air moving in and out of your nostrils. Notice your eyelids and the corners of your eyes, and your eyeballs themselves. Notice the brow and the space above your eyebrows, the entire scalp area. And when you're ready, allow your attention to just sense into the entire body, from the top of your head all the way down to the bottom of your feet. Just allowing any sensation that might appear as you widen your attention to include all of the body as a whole. Head and shoulders, arms, torso, thighs, calves, and feet. And just allowing things to be just as they are. Remember that you are in choice in deciding where you turn your attention here, whether to the body as a whole or to the breath, or maybe some external factor if that feels safer and more grounding, such as a sound or an object in the room. Just noticing any thoughts. We often want things to be a certain way or have certain expectations for ourselves in meditation practice. We may really like a moment or really dislike a moment. And just notice that that's our liking mind or our wanting mind. Just trying to see ourselves as complete and whole right now, experiencing this moment in fullness, and just being with whatever presents itself in this moment. You might begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Deepen your breath. If your eyes are closed, you may